What is going on, guys? It's been a long time. I keep saying I'm coming back and I never do. So I've decided I do want to come back. I do want to start making videos. Problem is I have nothing interesting to make videos on. But recently I've been watching Jimmy Oakes's channel, and he recently had a red Zenki S14 that he got all cleaned up and stuff, and it got me thinking about my S14, not the drift car, the green one that it's been sitting in the shed forever. And I've decided it is time to get this thing back on the go. So today I've decided we're going to give it a good clean, because it's well past due, in a sorry state. So we're going to, as you can imagine, it's looking quite nasty. 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 Okay, so now we've got it out in the sunlight, we can really see just how grubby this thing is. Nasty. Grossness, just nasty. But it's dirty. We're going to fix that today. Soak for a minute or two and to really get into the paint. But I'm going to give you the first update. Big dirty dark shop. It's had a few improvements, like lights. Got some lights installed a couple of weeks back, and it really does make this place a whole lot better. Only problem being it's still dirty. I have to say, guys, this has to be the first time this car has been washed in about 6 years, and it shows. Look at the barnacles. These are, God, solid, absolutely solid. Oh, that's going to suck. And they're everywhere, absolutely everywhere. Is that a bit rusty? So the problem is that for a period of time this car did sit outside. So what I've done is I've got some tar remover and I've just sprayed it all over the car, and hopefully that'll get the worst of it off. The problem is this side was open to the elements and this side was up against the wall, so this side isn't actually that bad. It's just this side we need to worry about. So I'm going to let this sit, and then I'll agitate it, and then I'll rinse it off. Note to self, don't wear Vans when cleaning cars. Okay, so literally using the strongest stuff I have, the car, it's still struggling to get this stuff off the car, so I've sprayed as much of it off as I can. I've hit it again. I'm going to really let this stuff set in and really try and get it off, because it sucks. It's really, really bad. So it's a little while later, as per Scotland, it started to rain, so we've pushed the, what the, oh fuck. Pushed the car inside. I would say I've got 90% of the crap off the paint. You can see it looks a lot better. Most of it's gone. Most of it is off. We've managed to get it off the windows. Mostly there's some left on it. I think the plan is have a little look around the car, because it does have its problems, which are even more evident now that it's clean. So looking at this side, it's actually not that bad. It really, this is probably the good side for some reason. And a nasty scratch here on the door. There was some paint chipping on the handle. A little dent on this quarter. We come around here. Yeah, the light's broken. Back end's not that bad, to be honest. A few scratches and stuff. And then we get to this corner, which has obviously been crashed at some point. And the catty / bondo's cracked here. Yeah, so we'll need to get that fixed. Missing the fuel door. I mean, all in all, the body is actually pretty straight. And then we get to this wing, and oh no, 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 don't want that. Don't want that. This is from a woman that crashed into me in a petrol station once. Yep, that was fun times. All in all, I really don't think it's in that bad condition. Yeah, it needs some work. But we're gonna get there. But right now, I'm wanting to kind of I want to compound this paint, and I want to polish it up, and I want to see just what life is left in it. But it's just amazing seeing it clean again. Like, god damn, like look at this thing. Oh, I missed this thing. For those that don't know, this used to be my daily about 7 years ago, and I took it off the road to really get some work done to it, which never happened. And then it just kind of sat in the shed until I got the drift car, which unfortunately this had to sacrifice its gear stick. This car sacrificed its gearbox for the drift car and its diff, but we'll go into that later on. Okay guys, so I decided to go ahead and do a test panel. So I've done this wing here. Now look at this. Look at that, look at that. It's so hard to catch this on camera. But it's, I love this colour. I really do. But yeah, I've cut that and I've compounded it and polished that panel. And I just think it looks amazing. But yeah, you look at that and then, I mean, this is the other wing. It looked just like that, so yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and just start working my way around the rest of the car, and we'll see how it ends up. Okay, so at this point I've pretty much finished this side of the car, so I'm going to move on to the other side. I've done the boot as well. I'm going to move over here, and I'm going to bang it out really quickly, and I'll catch up with you guys when it's time for polish. I've compounded the entire car. I'm getting ready to give it a quick coat of polish before I head home, but I can't believe how good this thing is turning out. I just need to get this thing back on the road ASAP. I think it's turned out absolutely awesome. Obviously there's still some marks in it, but realistically, I think it's turned out great. I really do think it's turned out amazing for what I've done today. So yeah, I just wanted to give it a clean today. Realistically, this car is going to need resprayed. It just is. It's going to need a full paint job, but just seeing it clean again is hopefully going to spur me on to get this thing going, because man, I miss this car so much. I think I'm going to leave this here. Yeah, I just can't help but look at it. Next time on this little series, we're going to be tackling the interior, because it's a whole other bag of worms. Thank you so much for watching. Glad to be back. Maybe, hopefully, we'll see what happens. Yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the next one. If there is a next one, there will hopefully be a next one. Bye, peace, bye. To the end of the video for a reason, but I've sold the drift car, and its replacement is right